you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, your girl Jessica, and today I have my review slash tutorial on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation and the loose setting powder. So we're going to jump right in. I'm just going to give brief descriptions about each product and yeah, let's get started. To start with the foundation, I'm just going to read off what it says on the Ulta website. It does retail for $38. It is 1.014 ounces. I grabbed the shade 200W, which is said to be light skin with a warm undertone, which I can lean towards warm and neutral. This radiant formula delivers long-wearing, medium coverage, yet still feels so lightweight and looks ultra fresh. Okay, so that's basically what it says about the foundation. And you guys see I have a little discoloration right here. My summer stash is what I like to call her, since she only comes out when I get tan. But anywho, this is what she looks like. Love the packaging, and then you're like, oh yeah, bam. Just in case you forget, it's your foundation. The loose setting powder, which I picked up the shade Vanilla. And let's read what it says about the powder. Well, the powder retails for $36, so it's a couple dollars less than the foundation. It comes in 5 shades, and it says it's a lightweight, silky loose powder formula that's blendable and sets makeup with a smooth, flawless matte finish. Melts the skin to perfect, brighten, and keep makeup on all day, or makeup set all day. Powder absorbs oil, minimizes shine. 4 tinted shades, formulated without gluten and oil. This is what she looks like. She is a big container, as you can see. It's 25 grams of product, and it is in a sifter. So a little backstory before we get started. I have tried out both products already 3 times. So as I'm applying them, I'm kind of going to tell you what I've noticed and, you know, give my opinion on the products. So we're going to get started. I'm going to start by priming my face with the Bobbi Brown Skin Smoothing Pore Perfector with a little dab. Oh god, that was so dumb. Professional in my larger pores. So I'm gonna do that right now. So the first time I tried the foundation, I used the Bobbi Brown primer. The second time I used the Tatcha primer, and it did not like the Tatcha primer. That or the Tatcha primer did not like the foundation, because it looked terrible that day. And I was so disappointed, because I was like, damn, I tried it yesterday and I loved it. But the third time, I did not go back to Tatcha. I figured it needed more of a liquid primer rather than a putty. So I stuck with the Bobbi Brown. But for my larger pores, I put a little dab of this, and you guys, it was beautiful. Oh my god, so sexy. Right, I got my larger pores to help fill those babies in. I'm going to do one side of the foundation with a brush, and I'll be using the It Cosmetics buffing brush, and then the other side I will be using a beauty blender. For the brush side, okay, so what I'm going to do is directly just pump two dabs, not 2 dabs, but 2 pumps on the side of my face, and then go like that with it, I think. Yeah, so to start off with the brush side, I'm just going to place 2 little lines there. And like I said, the other 3 times I've worn it, I've used the beauty blender. So I've never tried it with a brush. And you guys don't come for me because I know it's a little light, but I promise it will look okay. Plus, you know, it's with the summer almost being over, this will be my perfect shade because right now I am like 2 to 3 shades lighter. I mean, I'm 2 to 3 shades darker than I normally am. Look how good that looks. Huh. So she definitely is medium coverage, as you can see. Super lightweight, because to be honest, I really don't feel, as it's setting, like that makeup sensation that like you just put something on your face. It doesn't feel like anything. Damp beauty blender. So this is what it looks like with the beauty blender side. To me it looks a lot more sheer, as you know, you would assume seeing that the beauty blender soaks up more product, but it definitely looks more sheer on this side. I'm definitely feeling this brush side a lot more. That's it for like a second, and what I'm going to do is go back and try to build it up just a little bit where I have my acne scarring on my cheeks. Right here, right here, literally just a little bit. Leave that how it is, and before we do the powder, I'm going to use some concealer real quick. So I'm going to go grab a concealer. Actually, before I do concealer, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of contour so we can see how this product lays on it. This is just the Clinique Chubby Stick. Okay, so I think everything blended really well onto the powder. Now, I learned from the first 2 times that I cannot use a beauty blender to set my face with this powder. Normally, I had prior in the past always used a beauty blender to always set under my eyes and where I concealed at, but not with this powder. I can definitely tell you if you have dry skin like I do, it performs and looks so much better on your skin when you use a brush. So I'm going to use a brush to set my face rather than my damp beauty blender. So let me go get a brush. Is just go in with a large fluffier brush, take what's left in here, and then just set the rest of my face. Now that I'm done with that, you guys, because I am going to be going to the gym later, I'm not going to do like a full face of makeup. I know you guys are like shocked, like, oh my god, Jessica, no full face. Yeah, no full face. So what I'm going to do is just put some bronzer on and some falsies, some bronzer, blush, and highlight, and some falsies. And I'll be right back and you guys can see the finished result. Back, you guys, I finished my the rest of my makeup, I guess you could say. Like I said, I am going to be going to the gym here soon, so I wasn't, you know, going to go all out with my eye makeup and everything. And you guys, my honest opinion of this foundation and powder is it's great. I want to say don't be discouraged if you get it and you're like, damn, this powder sucks. Try it a different way. And I know some people have different views on that. Some people are like, you know, if I get a product and it's more expensive, you know, compared to like drugstore makeup, you'd expect it to be versatile. They are versatile. You just gotta find out which way works best for you. So I would definitely say for my dry skin girls, applying it with the beauty blender did not work for me. I found that applying it with a brush, it looks much more prettier. It gives it more blurring effect, and I love it. At the end of the day, like the past 2 out of 3 times I wore it, I forgot I even had makeup on. My sister was like, you're gonna go to bed with your makeup on, dumbass? And I'm like, oh girl, I forgot. That's how good the foundation is. So I'm excited to keep playing around with it, especially for the winter months coming up. You know, and maybe like this powder will go good with my Clinique foundation too. I'm just gonna you know, sit around and play with makeup like I normally do. But I hope you guys did like my review, review slash little try on tutorial I did for you. I don't think I have anything else to say about it. I'm really impressed with it, and I love both of the products. I think that's all I had to say about it. So if you guys did enjoy my video, would you please give me a thumbs up, like the video if you did enjoy it, subscribe to my channel if you are not, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Peace out.